Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a very exciting plug haul slash plug try on. I did go on to Body Art Forums recently. I made an order with a little bit more of kind of like dramatic and kind of more out there plugs. I did recently do my very first plug haul here on my channel. Really wanted to kind of expand my collection to more of like unique pieces that are a little bit more kind of out there and dramatic. And a lot of you guys pointed me in the direction of all these different websites, and I did do a lot of searching on Body Art Forums, so I'm very excited to kind of show you everything that I got. Also, really quick before we do get started, I want you guys to let me know what you think of the quality of this video. I've been kind of playing around with the settings, playing around with different lenses, and that also kind of brings me to the sponsor of today's video. This video is very kindly sponsored by Skillshare. I have talked about them before. We will talk about them a little bit more later on in the video, but you guys will have to let me know, what do you think? Am I nice and clear? Do the colors look good? Can you hear me okay? I've been learning a lot about DSLR cameras. Please let me know what you think about the quality of this video. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this plug haul. So I made this order at around the end of November, and I ordered 4 pairs of plugs, and I just got to unboxing the box. I have not even opened it yet, and I just got around to opening it today, and I realized they only sent me 3 pairs instead of 4. Like, instead of the 4th pair, they sent me this little tiny like replacement piece that I did not order. I don't even know what this is for, so that's really kind of unfortunate. I was originally going to show you guys 4 pairs of plugs in this haul, but it looks like I'm only going to be showing you 3. The pair that we're missing is a really cool pair that I really wish that I had. It's like a pair of like skeleton hand eyelets, which I was really looking forward to, but they are nowhere to be found. Instead, I just have this little itty bitty tiny piece right here, which is unfortunate. I literally did just email them before I started filming this video because I know it's been a while since I've made the order, and I really want to know what we can do about it because they were $14. So it looks like we're only going to be showing 3 pairs instead of 4. In total, I spent $33.94 on the 4 pairs. I'm going to go through, I'm going to show you all the ones that I got, and we're also going to be trying them on today in my ears as well, because I know that's like how you can really see how they look. If you guys are interested in getting any of these plugs, you can kind of get an idea of what they look like. So let's go ahead and get started with the first pair. They are the steel shark teeth eyelets, and these are all 00 gauge. So the first pair of eyelets that I got are these bad lads right here. I have been looking for a pair like this ever since somebody tagged me on Instagram showing me these, and I really wanted to get my hands on them. My first impression of these is the shark teeth that are attached to the little eyelets right here are a lot bigger and a lot heavier than I thought they were going to be. I thought they were going to be a lot smaller, but nonetheless, I think they're super cool looking. I think what would have made these pop a little bit more is if they would have put like fake little diamonds or something like on the top of the tooth or even on the bottom of the tooth, but honestly, nonetheless, they look really good. So these were on Body Art Forums. They came as a pair, and these were $8.95 for the pair. So fairly priced, I think. I think that's a really good price. So here's an up-close view of what the shark teeth eyelets look like. They're really cool, right up my alley. For those of you who don't know, I have a huge love and appreciation and obsession with sharks. So when I saw that they had little shark tooth eyelets, this was just so perfect for me. So these ones are double flared, as you can see right here, and they're really easy to put on because in order to slide them into your ear, you basically just unscrew the back of it right here. So you have the little back piece, and then this part just slides in your ear, and then you screw this on the back. We'll go ahead and put these in for you guys so you guys can kind of see what they look like. I'm gonna pop my hair up. So the plugs that I have in right now are just some ones that I got off of Amazon. These are just some 00, just regular plain eyelets, and I'm just going to take one of them out. Basically, you just take this part, slide them in like that, and then you take the little back piece and just screw it on. Alright, so here are what the little shark tooth eyelets look like. I think these are so freaking cool. Like I said, they are a little bit heavy, so I mean, if you are looking to kind of stretch up your ears and you want something that's kind of weighty to kind of help with the stretching process, I feel like these ones would be a good one. Now, they're not like super, super heavy or anything like that. Like, they don't hurt. But there is definitely some weight to them. They do jingle jangle quite a bit, and that is probably like the one downfall that I have with these is when you are kind of like moving around or moving your head or whatever, you can kind of hear like just the little connector points. You can kind of hear them jangling around, but I mean, it doesn't bother me, and these are just so fucking badass and so super cool to just have like little shark teeth hanging from your stretched ears. I don't know, I like it. I really like the look of just the plain eyelets. It's just a look that I really, really like. I like being able to see through my ears. So these are what the first pair of little plugs slash eyelets look like. I feel like these would fall out quite a bit because there is so much weight on them. As you can kind of see right here, there is quite a bit of weight to them, to the point where they, see if I can get it to do it. Yeah, like these do fall out quite easily. Next pair of plugs that I got are something that were very shocking to me because of how big that they were. And also, that's another thing on Body Art Forms, is you really need to make sure that you're paying attention, because sometimes plugs will come as a pair. Well, you'll get one for both of your ears, or you get just one. And so you have to make sure that you're adding two to your cart, otherwise you're just gonna get one. So the pair that was like that were these single flare black onyx skull plugs. Again, 00 10mm size. These were $6.95 each. So I did have to get two of them. I had to get one here and one here, bringing the total up to $13.90. And these ones are very, very cool and unique. Again, when I received them in the mail, I was super shocked with how big they were. I thought they were going to be a lot smaller. So here is an up close view of what these guys look like. As you can see, they're so freaking cute. Just really adorable, like black skull looking guys. These ones are single flared. They do come with the little O-ring to kind of keep it secure on the back. So we're just going to slide these in. Actually, I'm going to use some vitamin E oil, because if I change my plugs like too often in one day, they start to get a little bit like dry. So sometimes having that oil can just kind of help things go in a little bit easier. All right, so I'm going to pop the first one in. Okay, so that went in a lot easier with the vitamin E oil. I'm gonna put the little O-ring on the back just so they stay nice and secure. And right off the bat, I'm noticing that these ones are a lot more lightweight. Like, it doesn't feel super heavy. Even though they look like they're gonna be super heavy, they're really not too bad. They're actually surprisingly very lightweight. So I'm just gonna pop the second one in. Okay, so here are what these little skull plugs look like in the ears. I don't know if you can see, but there is the back of my ear and then the front of them. As far as the looks of them, I don't think they look bad at all, but I do feel like they are a little bit on the bigger side when it comes to my ears personally, because I do have very, very small ears. Yeah, they do feel really secure in there, and I think they actually look pretty cool. It's definitely, you know, a huge statement piece. I don't know, you guys will have to let me know what you think of these. I do like the fact that they're lightweight. I almost wish I would have gotten maybe like silver or maybe a different color. I don't even know if they offer that, but I feel like with my black hair, it is kind of hard to see what they are. I don't know, I guess they look cool. I guess I'm just not used to wearing plugs like this, I guess you could say. Okay, and then before I show you guys the very last pair of plugs that I got from Body Art Forms, which are probably going to be my favorite, like I'm looking at them right now and I'm just like dying to show you guys these, let's go ahead and talk a little bit more about the sponsor of this video, Skillshare. For those of you who do not know what Skillshare is an online learning community for everyone out there who wants to learn a new skill or kind of get better at a certain skill, all through educational videos online. It's a great way to interact with people who share their own knowledge and tips on subjects that may interest you for less than $10 a month.
So even though I have been a YouTuber for many years now, there are still many things I do not know about filmmaking and filming and editing and just different settings on my camera. And that is something that I definitely want to get better at, and I found a lot of really good informative videos on there. The first one I've really been enjoying is Filmmaking on a Budget, Tips for Achieving a Cinematic Look by Simon Cade, and Make Your Videos More Cinematic by PJ May. These videos have been so incredibly helpful. I actually got to sit down while watching these videos with my camera, and I kind of got to play around with all of the different settings, and I also got to learn a lot more about what these different settings mean. They have many other different videos on DSLR cameras, or how to film with your smartphone, or how to build your Instagram, or for those of you who have always wanted to start your own YouTube channel, they have tons of videos like that on there as well, along with a bunch of different workshops, and you can create your own little notes, and you can save different classes and follow different creators on Skillshare. That way, every time you log in, you can always go back and reference those videos and also look back on your notes as well. For those of you that are interested in trying Skillshare, I will have a link right at the top of the description box and a pinned comment right at the top of this video. And if you use that link, the first 1,000 people who use it will get a free trial of a Skillshare premium membership. I highly recommend that you guys check this out, try it out. It has been so incredibly helpful to me, and especially in today's world where, you know, there really isn't a lot to do. Why not hone in on a skill that you want to learn more about, or a subject that you want to know more about? So go ahead and click the link, sign up for your free trial of a Skillshare premium membership, and again, thank you so much to Skillshare for sponsoring this video.
Again, if you guys are interested in trying Skillshare for yourself, I will have a link right at the top of the description box and a pinned comment, and the first 1,000 people to use that link will get a free trial for the Skillshare premium membership. Skillshare is definitely for you. Highly recommend checking it out. And again, thank you so much to Skillshare for sponsoring this video and supporting my channel. Let's go ahead and show you the very last pair of plugs that I got, but before I do that, I actually just got an email back from Body Art Forms, and it says, I am so sorry you received an end piece in place of the steel skeleton hair eyelets. I went ahead and set up a replacement for you, and here's a copy of the new invoice. Okay, so wow, that's really nice of them. And also sent a reship notification emails telling me that they are going to be sending me the skeletal hand eyelet. So that's very nice of them. I probably won't include it in this video because I have no idea when it will actually show up, because we are getting very close to the holidays, and mail is absolutely crazy right now, but I will go ahead and like post pictures on Instagram or post about it on my Instagram stories. Okay, I'm in a much better mood now. I was a little bit stressed out about that, but everything's fine. We're good. So the very last pair of plugs that I got, X-Caliper eyelets, and these did come in a pair, and they were only $8.95, and they came in two different colors. They came in black and silver, and I decided to go with silver because my hair is black and I wanted, you know, them to be able to pop against my black hair, and they are these right here. Oh, the badassery of these freaking plugs right here. Oh my god, these are so cool. So they are the double flared, really kind of thick eyelet right here, and then hanging down we kind of have like this sword, and I don't know if it's like a cat or something at the very top, but I don't even care. These are so freaking cool, really inexpensive, and they feel pretty lightweight surprisingly, so that makes me very happy. With these ones, these are double flared, as you can see. Now these aren't gonna slip in my ears like this, so they do have the little mechanism on the back where you basically just twist it off and it goes in your ear like that. Pop a little bit more vitamin E oil just to kind of moisturize my ears a little bit. You get the question quite a bit still nowadays about if I'm going to go bigger with my ears, and the answer is for now, no, I'm not. I am going to stay at 00 for quite a long time. I really like the size of 00, so I'm just gonna, you know, kind of hang out there for a little bit. Okay, so it is kind of hard to like twist. Okay, I'm just gonna pop this one in as well. And the back pieces for these plugs are a little bit flatter, as you can see, so it is kind of hard to get them lined up with the threads at first. Like, oh my gosh, you guys are so freaking cool. Oh my god, I am obsessed with these. Holy shit. So Right off the bat, I will say that these are also very, very lightweight. There isn't a whole lot of weight to them, and I love the look of these. These are so freaking badass. It literally adds so much more decoration to my overall ear look. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear on camera or not, but I definitely can hear them moving around, which, I mean, it doesn't bother me too much, but I know a lot of people have more sensitive ears and can't handle things like that, which is totally fine. Okay guys, and that is everything that I have for today's Body Art Forms plug haul. I had a lot of fun doing this. I am so happy with everything that I got, and I'm even more happy that they were kind enough to reach back out to me so incredibly quickly and kind of correct their wrong, and they are going to be sending me the final piece that I did order, so I'm very excited about that. Make sure if you guys do want to see, once I do get them, what they look like, pictures, you know, all of that cool stuff, make sure you follow me on Instagram. My handle is down in the description box, so make sure you go ahead and follow me so you guys can see those pictures. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite pair of plugs that I showed you guys today. Let me know, do you guys want to see more plug hauls? Because I have no issue going on and ordering some more plugs. I'm very, very excited. I cannot wait to kind of build my collection. So let me know if you guys want to see more. I would absolutely be more than happy to do that. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. I do upload every 3 to 4 days here. But as for the rest of you, I love you guys so, so much. And until then, I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.